Hi, my name is Jessica. I'm part of the Oster family, and today I'm gonna show you my go-to recipes for a movie night in with my husband. So first, I'm gonna show you how I make my chicken tenders and potato chips. Very easy. Okay, I'm gonna start by preheating my Oster oven at 450 degrees. I already pre-seasoned my chicken with salt and pepper. The next step is gonna mixing my paprika with the all-purpose flour, a little bit of salt, and pepper. I'm gonna mix it, and now I'm gonna start dipping my chicken in the mixture. Then I'm going to the egg, and then I go to my breadcrumbs. Now that I finished breading my chicken, I'm gonna clear my cooking space. Now I'm gonna bring my oven pan. I'm gonna range them. Try not to overlap. Since all my chickens didn't fit, I'm gonna do that in 2 batches. Okay, now that the oven has preheat, I'm gonna put the chicken inside. So I'm gonna keep an eye on them and flip them halfway through. While my chicken is baking, I'm gonna bring my potato chips ingredients. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna start by putting my potato chips into a deep bowl. Then I'm gonna put my oil. So I'm gonna make sure that every single potato is covered in oil. Add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and mix again. I'm gonna range them in my mash rack. I'm gonna put them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes while the chicken is cooking. My chicken is all ready, so I'm gonna bring it in and put it on the plate. Looks nice and crispy, so just make sure to check both sides and so they're fully cooked. My chips are ready. So I'm gonna let my potatoes cool and then I'm gonna plate them. Now that my chicken tenders are ready and my potato chips are done, I'm gonna top it off with some cilantro. And this is it. I really hope you enjoy. It's very easy to make. Enjoy your movie night.